Hey, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to try a new product, a new epoxy from Apex Epoxy. They sent this to me and I'm going to try this. So I'm going to bring you along with some trial and errors or just some new experiments that I'm going to try. I have a whole bunch of stuff out on the table that we're going to do. I'm going to pour one project and then I'm going to use my leftover to do some different things. So today what I'm doing is, this is from California, so I thought how appropriate to do an ocean theme. So everything that I do today is going to be an ocean theme. But I got this bamboo tray and we've had it for a while, and so it gets some cracks in it. That's not going to be a problem because it's going to fill up with epoxy. So here's what you do if you're going to use a piece of wood. The first thing you need to do is coat it with epoxy. Now I did this with a different epoxy before because it was before I got this and I just haven't worked on the project. That is not going to be a problem at all. But what I want to do is I'm going to have an ocean theme, so you're going to see through this. So I think I want to paint a blue background. I don't always paint backgrounds because sometimes I like seeing the wood through, but today I'm going to do it, and I'm going to do it in a dark blue because I'm going to layer, so you're going to see many layers, but it'd be like the ocean being dark blue. Okay, so I'm going to take my gloved hand and I'm just going to rub this in really quick. I just kind of want to spread it out. This is my first experience with this new epoxy, and I'm gonna tell you I just heated it up. To me it didn't smell bad, so there's nothing in. Sometimes some of them are strong or chemically. I can even get headaches from some of them, and that is not the case here, so that makes me happy. Again, one of the reasons I went with an ocean theme on this one is the company that I get this from is in California, so I just thought it was kind of fitting. California, beaches, surfs. That is goopy because of the kind of paint that I'm using in that. Happens to be one of my favorite paints just for the color, but it is definitely goopy.